Hey guys, OzGrillis here, and today we're going to do a video on how to raid on Twitch. Let's do it. So guys, first things first about this channel is we do tutorial videos on things like Twitch, streamlabs, stream elements. We have tutorials on how to grow your social media presence across different platforms. We have a podcast called Talking Corner, where we go over different techniques of how you can grow your stream. We have a food section, we have a community section, and we have a tech tips section, as well as bring on different streamers to interview. So if any of that tickles your fancy, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty of videos out there. But now let's get to the main video. Alright, so here we are on the Twitch website on my own channel. What you need to do if you're going to raid somebody else is you're going to need to type into your own Twitch chat. So make sure you're not typing into the person you want to raid. It's Twitch chat. A lot of people do this and that is not the correct way to do it. So we're going to go down to the chat window down here and we're going to type in /raid, R-A-I-D. We're going to hit the space bar and we're going to type in the username of the streamer we want to raid. I'm going to type in Mistwalker R1. I'm actually wearing his shirt right now as well. And we are going to hit enter. As you see here on the right above the window there, it's got one viewer is ready to raid, Mistwalker. And once that timer runs out, you have the option to raid or cancel. If the streamer is in sub only mode or follower only mode, then they will show up, which will mean you can cancel it if you don't want to raid someone who's in sub only or follower only mode. As we've only got one viewer and I haven't been streaming, I'm going to cancel this raid. There is another way to raid as well if you want to get a bit more of a preview, or if you just that way doesn't work for some reason for you. I'm going to put down in the description below and in the first pinned comment as well the exact typing of what you need to be able to raid somebody. And if you want to do it the other way, what you need to do is hit your face up in the top right corner here and go to create a dashboard. Then you go to these quick actions down here and there is raid channel. So you hit that and you type in the channel you want to raid. So we're going to do Mistwalker again. And you click on that and it shows you a bit of a preview there. You can click on that if you want to watch some. It'll load it up.
And then I just use his attack to finish him off.
And then you would hit start raid and it would start the whole process there again. So guys, it is pretty simple to raid. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching that video. If you liked it, please give it a like, share it to your friends so they can raid you. Please write in the comments any ideas for any other videos you want, for any other Twitch tutorials. It'd be really appreciated. And if you did like this video and you want to see a lot more, I have 90+ videos on the channel. So please subscribe to this channel, it'd be much appreciated. Again, thank you guys so much and I'll see you in the next one.